I know it's cool, but it's only light.
The next thing we're going to do is we're going to assign the materials that we previously created in our network material group. And those are going to be assigned to the geos that we created with our prim creates. So to do this, we need to assign a MaterialAssign node. First, let's make some room. Drag those, move them down. Hover over your node graph, hit tab, find your MaterialAssign node. We're going to drop it into our pipeline. Now it's going to go under your merge where you had your materials and your geos. So it has to go underneath that merge. You hit green for attributes. This is a MaterialAssign node, but we're still going to name it LVAssign, but this time it's going to be a MatAssign. The next thing we're going to do is actually assign the materials and the geo. So we're going to take our LVAssign material, middle mouse drag, put it into the MaterialAssign, LVAssign mesh, click and drag, and add it to the statements. We have now created an assignment of our material to our geo. So if we render now, you should see the LVAssign in our monitor. All right, let's do that again for our next piece of geo. Hover, tab, MaterialAssign, green for attributes. Make sure you drop it into the pipeline so that it connects up. Rename. This is going to be floor sign reflection MatAssign. We are going to middle mouse drag into a MaterialAssign, the materials. We're going to middle mouse drag our poly mesh into the statements. And we now have an assignment of that. If you'd like, you can also assign geos to the same material. You just simply click and drag, say we want my other part of the floor in the same material. Click and drag and both will have the same material. In this case, I want my floor under LVO to be a little different, so I'm going to delete and we'll assign another material. Hover over node graph, tab, MaterialAssign, add to the pipeline. Now you can also, let's delete that, you can also grab this one and hit Control D and it'll duplicate that. It's going to be very similar. Drop that in, hit green for attributes, change your name, grab your materials, middle mouse drag into the materials. You can open up your statements and see that we have the floor sign reflection, so we want to add the floor under LVO, and we want to take that one away. So you can do it that way as well. Let's go ahead and move these down a little bit more. Keep everything neat. Now, if you do a render, you will have everything assigned. Voila! If you zoom in, you'll see your reflection on your floor. In the next video, we will neaten things up a bit, and we will add our MaterialAssign to a group stack and our prim creates to a group merge. And I'll let you know what the difference between those two are. See you then.
Oh, I know why you're chasing all the headlights. Oh, 'cause you're always trying to get